The office buildings we work in, the churches we worship in, schools we send our children to, hospitals we heal in, hotels we rest in, and arenas we cheer in. These and other projects AGC members build contribute daily to our quality of life. This year's award entries are excellent examples of how AGC members truly do build Michigan. Hail to the victors valiant, and to Spence Brothers for the renovation of the University of Michigan's Yost Ice Arena. Renovations replaced the majority of spectator seating, improved the east and west concourses, and converted a media balcony into luxury boxes. No problem unless you begin in April and need to be ready to drop the puck on October 9th for the home opener, a 7-3 victory over Windsor. Spence Brothers met the challenge and delivered the project on time. Spence Superintendent Bob Saunders said it best. Yost Ice Arena is one of U of M's most revered buildings, deep with history and nostalgia. We were given 6 months to completely gut and reconstruct the building while maintaining very stringent U of M standards. Spence Brothers managed and built the new Yost in an incredible time frame. I knew the coordination was going to drive the success of the project, and everyone delivered. Losing a key material provider and late project scope changes would ordinarily spell disaster, but George Auck Construction stayed on time and on budget to deliver the Henry Ford West Bloomfield Hospital Greenhouse project. The project is Michigan's first hospital-based organic greenhouse and education center. Auck worked hard to bring the project's vision in line with its budget. Auck worked seamlessly with design partner Hobbs & Black and Henry Ford Health System to meet and exceed the project's objectives. On behalf of Henry Ford Health System, Marco Cappuccioni wrote, "Your team did an excellent job of exceeding our expectations on this challenging project. As usual, you were also able to complete the project on time, on budget, and meet all of our quality expectations. In particular, we appreciated your attention to detail both on the project and ensuring that the surrounding wetlands remained healthy." Our next project turned a brownfield redevelopment site in Marquette into a shiny new hotel along the shores of Lake Superior. Gundlach Champion built Michigan's newest Hampton Inn, with 84 guest rooms and suites, a pool and fitness center, and meeting space. Difficult site conditions and budget issues made this project a challenge and changed a 4-story steel and precast structure into a 3-story wood frame structure. But to meet budget, multiple designs and structural changes were made while construction was underway. Gundlach was contracted as a general contractor, but took their role to the next level and well beyond their contractually required obligations. Gundlach helped realize savings to the owner and keep the hotel grand opening on schedule by taking a proactive role in the furniture, fixtures, and equipment process, critical to staying on schedule on a hospitality project. The result is a beautiful new hotel in downtown Marquette. Working as a CM at risk, Walbridge transformed an otherwise unusable piece of land in Sterling Heights into a state-of-the-art prototyping complex for one of the world's most advanced defense contractors. The BAE Systems Land and Armaments Complex includes a 57,000 square foot, 20-bay prototype facility, a 160,000 square foot, 4-story office building, and a renovated 6,000 square foot garage and half-mile testing track. Walbridge overcame numerous challenges, including building envelope issues with the slanted glass curtain walls and curved insulated glazing units, and overcoming the elements by wrapping the building frame with a reinforced visqueen sheet plastic system to continue construction during winter months and build from the inside out. Weekend and second shifts, along with Walbridge's internal quality processes, allowed for completion of the fast-track schedule. Walbridge's success brings a new platform for Michigan's engineering workforce and a welcome boost to the Southeast Michigan economy. Ahead of schedule and under budget, immediately a small, uncomplicated project jumps to mind. Not for Skanska USA Building. This was a major new construction and renovation project at the Mid-Michigan Medical Center in Midland. The 3-phase Harlow Building surgery expansion and new bed tower included additions and renovations to the OR, ambulatory surgery, and post-anesthetic care unit departments. A 220,000 square foot, 6-story addition including 108 patient rooms and a 40,000 square foot renovation to the existing Harlow Tower. Challenges included major renovations adjacent to existing and functioning operating rooms, developing tunnels using all-span trusses to complete mechanical and electrical work while maintaining critical hospital functions below, and maintaining uninterrupted hospital operations during construction on a tight campus. All of this ahead of schedule, under budget, and with 0 lost time injuries in 468,000 total man-hours of work. The owner said, "Perfection is what was expected, and this is what was delivered." Western Michigan's new Sanguine Hall is a 230,000 square foot, 4-story building containing large lecture halls, student services, classrooms, faculty offices, media center, research center, and clinics. This is not your father's dorm building. This is a state-of-the-art LEED Gold certified building that serves as the front door to the university. The Miller-Davis team worked hard to maintain the fast-track construction schedule through creative problem-solving, careful pre-planning, and detailed daily coordination. Miller-Davis formed a united 5-person project team that managed the daily tasks of 32 first-tier subcontractors, 45 second-tier subcontractors, and over 200 tradespeople. This helped coordinate over 20 major phases of the project and deliver a quality job. The designer's project manager, Chris McKay of the SHW Group, said Miller-Davis's project management skills, passion, and professionalism were instrumental in delivering this iconic building on time and within budget. Michigan State University's new Eli and Edith Broad Art Museum is hard to miss. Suffice to say, it stands out on the MSU campus. Designed by world-renowned architect Zaha Hadid, known for designing the unbuildable building, the new art museum makes a bold statement indeed. The project pushed architectural boundaries and challenged conventional construction. Built of sloped steel and concrete with a pleated metal and glass exterior, carefully piecing together dynamic dimensions and non-traditional materials challenged the Barton-Malow team from the start. The contractor carried out an exceptional pre-construction effort to source materials and ensure constructability. Barton-Malow's experience, expertise, and attention to detail allowed for the use of custom design systems, especially on the exterior envelope and frame, and the advanced use of building information modeling contributed greatly to the project's success. Spartan Museum patrons are bound to win because steel and concrete were fashioned in ways that only Barton-Malow could imagine. The Firekeepers Hotel and Event Center is the second part of a multi-phase project by the Nottawasepi Huron Band of the Potawatomi Indian Tribe. Clark Construction skillfully completed the 242-room, 8-story hotel, 20,000 square foot event center, 28,000 square foot warehouse, and 1,000 car surface parking lots. Native American trades participation was a project requirement, and Clark exceeded contract expectations by utilizing a tribal participation program which provided construction skills education for tribal members. Even with 455,000 trade hours needed to construct the 3-part project, Clark's scheduling and trade management skills allowed them to deliver the project on schedule. Volunteers of America, Michigan's Partridge Creek Senior Village, is a 66-unit senior housing development located in Clinton Township. O'Brien Construction utilized lean construction methods and building operations analysis to help make the project work and sustain itself long into the future. The fast-tracked project was completed on time due to O'Brien's value engineering and schedule management. The facility provides low-income seniors with an excellent living option in North Macomb County. The project to build a new emergency trauma department at Hurley Medical Center in Flint went so well that the center's emergency services director remarked that I've enjoyed working with this team so much that I'm actually sorry to see the project end. Granger Construction utilized integrated project delivery to provide for a high level of collaboration, reduction in waste, and maximum project efficiency. Utilizing building information modeling and excellent construction management, the project was completed with 0 lost time incidents, 0 change orders, on time and under budget, with a $160,000 return to the owner. Walbridge Joint Venture was hired to oversee $500 million in capital improvements to the Detroit Public Schools district. The program included 3 million square feet of new construction and 1.5 million square feet of renovated space, as well as district-wide technology upgrades and security improvements. Walbridge, along with Brailsford and Dunleavy and Fanning Howey, turned $500 million into 19 new or renovated school facilities in just 36 months. To meet difficult scheduling constraints, Walbridge implemented a modified design-build delivery method, separating individual projects with their own design-build teams. The program helped Michigan's largest public school system overcome many troubling circumstances and brought work to Michigan and a city struggling with economic misfortune. Michigan Tech University's Great Lakes Research Center is a 55,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility located on the university's Houghton campus and the shore of Portage Lake. Grainger's phased design and construction approach led to on-time delivery of the project, despite challenges of weather, site issues, and a late design change. The reclamation of an old site, use of waste heat, and the university's first green roof are among the project's many sustainable features. The Grainger team's extraordinary efforts played a key role in helping to make this dream center a reality. The East English Village Preparatory Academy is one of 3 new high schools built in the Detroit public school system under the $500 million bond issue passed in 2009. The state-of-the-art facility, which is being submitted for LEED Gold certification, features 4 wings, 8 science labs, a high-tech media center, athletic area, health clinic, performing arts wing, and more. Despite a 4-month delay, the joint venture team of Tools Contracting and Clark Construction utilized a schedule acceleration approach, allowing for on-time delivery. The project successfully transformed 2 schools into one high-quality academic setting that provides a permanent home for area students well into the future. The new Mackenzie PK to 8th school project consisted of the design and construction of a 110,000 square foot elementary and middle school built to achieve LEED Silver certification. Scheduling, buy-in from multiple authorities, and project completion within a short time frame were among the challenges. Despite record rain and falling 8 weeks behind schedule, the team of Mig and George Auk skillfully executed a recovery schedule that brought the project in ahead of schedule and within budget. Site sustainability and indoor environmental quality are among the project's green building features. Through a lot of hard work and excellent scheduling, the Mig and Auk team delivered a high-quality, sustainable learning facility for the Detroit public school system. 14 projects, thousands of hours of highly skilled labor, excellence in construction management, and good old-fashioned hard work. On time, on budget, or in many cases, ahead of time and under budget. These are all hallmarks of AGC members' contribution to Michigan's quality of life, and these are this year's nominees for the Build Michigan Awards.